I've been dealing with this door blowing cold air for 20 years. 20 years. And it's really a quick fix, but it has become one of those nagging little things that just sort of grates at you while I'm done with it. Today, we fix this door. So here's the ridiculous part. This door isn't even that old. But because it's an old house, the house shifted a little bit, the door seals don't work as well, and this door has become a complete wind tunnel. The first step is removing the old weather stripping. It has become brittle, old, and torn and just simply doesn't seal anymore. And if you're wondering why I haven't done this before, I got nothing. All right, install time. The goal is nice, tight compression on the weather stripping from the door so no draft gets past the door. This is the part that is really important. Cutting the new pieces so that they overlap correctly and don't let any air in. Now, this is the most important part of this door, the bottom seals. This is where cold air likes to sneak in, even though the rest of the door looks closed. So I'm adding corner door seals to each side to stop that last little pesky leak. All right, after 20 years,
The moment of truth.
that is the first time in 20 years this door hasn't felt like a wind tunnel. I should have done this a long time ago.